We have the pleasure to have with us Mr. Angelos Kapsimanis, Director of Engineering at Klarna. So a warm welcome to Angelos.
Good morning, Elena. Very happy to be with you over here. I work in Klarna as a Director of Engineering, and my job is to, among other things, is to manage the relationship with external data providers like CRIF.
Klarna is known, it's a really relevant player around all of the activity. In particular, is leader in the global payment service. And we are very proud to have developed a joint project. So if you can describe a little bit your experience, what we have done together.
I can tell you a few things, Elena, about the collaboration between Klarna and CRIF. CRIF is enabling us to launch our products in multiple markets in the optimal way.
Which are the key value-added factors that as a CRIF we have built for Klarna? Are more based on data, are more based on analytics, on market presence, for example?
I can tell you the reasons we selected CRIF. Among them, it is the presence in multiple markets, the quality of the data provided, and the stability of the IT infrastructure.
But based on your experience, the age of these consumers are more younger people. In the future, will continue to be younger people, or let's say the profiling will be also to the older one.
Among the key trends in the buy now, pay later market, we see that people appreciate the utility and the convenience the buy now, pay later products bring compared to more traditional payment methods. And we see also older generations adopting the products on top of the younger ones.
This is really interesting. But as a Klarna, are you planning some innovation, some changes in your model, in your platform?
In Klarna, we offer improved versions of existing products, which we launch in the market, like savings accounts, but also completely new products like account-to-account payments. So all the time we are assessing novel products we want to launch in the market, and we try to find the most suitable markets to do so.
Thank you very much, Angelos, for your point of view. Really relevant, interesting, also for us, for the market, since it's important to understand these trends, how the market is moving. You mentioned buy now, pay later. You mentioned the country presence, the relevance of combination of data, so it's really relevant. So thanks again for your point of view.
It was really a pleasure to be with you over here today. Much appreciate for your time and for CRIF giving me the opportunity to talk about these topics. Thank you very much.